Hello everyone, I welcome you all onto this video. And if you guys have an experience or having trouble, having no internet connection with your Wi-Fi, then this video is for you because I'll be showing you how to fix MacBook connected to Wi-Fi but no internet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, of course, if your MacBook is connected to your Wi-Fi and it does not have any connections, all you need to, guys, you can turn this on, you can turn this off and turn it on. Okay, again. So if that step, guys, does not work, you can do follow this the next steps. You can also um restart your MacBook actually. So restarting your MacBook also can also help you with that. And the third one, guys, is you need to restart your router, your Wi-Fi router. So after restarting it, guys, you connect your MacBook or your laptop to your Wi-Fi. And then if doesn't work, guys, you have to call or dial the number of your internet provider. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.